everybody. Welcome back. Day 2, Tuesday, April 28th. Kind of a busy day, probably looking at all those emails from all those teachers. Most important thing is, thank you for attending the virtual classroom for mathematics yesterday. It was so cool to see so many of you show up. That's what happens. It's kind of a meet, check, and connect with the virtual classroom, okay? I'll only do a few minutes of actual math, and then we just meet, check, connect, make sure everybody's in a good place, and then we do special question and answers. Then maybe we'll have a contest, like yesterday. We did that word search, right? We did a maze. It was cool to see you all. Now, back to day 2. I'm hoping several things happen. One, you checked your mail, and you got your packet, okay? Did you open it up, see some of the cool things we're going to be working on? Did you take a moment and fill out the calendar? Organize yourselves, because today is Tuesday. Now remember, Spokane Public Schools, Monday mathematics, Tuesday science, CTE, Wednesday language arts and social studies, and Thursday is your electives. Check your emails, see when your classes are having your virtual classrooms, Zoom meetings, team meetings, or however you're deciding to meet. Make sure you make a plan, set those times aside to say hi to those teachers and the students in those classes. Okay, so you're organizing yourself, boom. Organizing yourself, boom. Today's activity. I told you we had to have one of the most famous circles, right? Remember who invented the wheel, right? So, famous circle, right? Getting the tires changed on the car. Got the studded tires in here today. What would be the equation of a tire? Okay, all right. So, yesterday, 20 minutes a day, 20 lessons for 20 days. We watched 2 videos by Salman Khan, watched the video from Monty, and we were basically at like 17 minutes. We really didn't have time to do math. Today, the last of the videos, just go to the calendar page, click on video tutorial. Salman Khan wraps up the equation of a circle. 6 minutes. This video is going to take 10 minutes. Next thing you know, your 20 minutes is up. Oh man, when am I ever going to have time to do the math? We're going to start right now, okay? So yesterday, we watched how we morphed Pythagoras. A squared, B squared, C squared, and it actually describes the equation of a circle. Serious. Okay, so we're going to do some math now. Page 20, problem number 2. Take a look at that one. You seeing it? Okay. All right. Page 1, you took some notes. Page 2, it gave you a circle. What do we have to find? The center. So, right off the bat, write down center. The center of the circle. Count it over. -1, +1. Boom, boom. Radius. Let's count the radius. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, count the radius. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, 4. Radius of 4. Write the equation. Pythagoras said, okay, if we draw any line to the edge, we call that x comma y. The center is h comma k. In this case, -1, +1. The actual equation of a circle is nothing more than a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Write it. X minus a -1 squared plus b minus 1 squared. Now here's the confusing piece. I always write radius squared. You're going to see sometimes they write 16. So just be careful on that one, okay? If you need to, pause the video if that was confusing for you. Just locate the center, boom. Count off the radius, boom. Write the equation. A lot of you would like to write x plus 1, negative and negative. No problem. Okay. On this page, they gave you a different form at the bottom, number 8. They gave you an equation. Now remember, it's nothing more than a squared, b squared, c squared. Okay? Let's locate the center. X minus, so it must be negative 2, 1. Graph it. Negative 1, negative 2, positive 1, put a dot. Now here's the pitfall. Be careful when you see the 4, because that's actually 2 squared. 2 squared. So count over 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to move that. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? You have anything from the recycle bin that looks about that size? Draw yourself a circle. Okay? Draw yourself a circle. Boom. Okay? Pythagorean theorem with a twist. That's all this is. We're going to do this for a couple more days. All right? So, if you have any troubles, I want you to try day 2, that's today, and we're going to be on page 3 and 4. I should have written that down. Whoops. Page 3 and 4. All right? So, try day 3 and 4. See if you can make sense of it. We'll have a special video tutorial every so often. If you have troubles on any of the specific problems, you can check it out. Okay? This wraps up day 2. Check your watch. Once you've done 20 minutes, move on to the next class. I hope you have a good Tuesday. Wednesday is tomorrow. Check those calendars. See what's going on. Organize yourself, because tomorrow will be Wednesday, Language, Arts, and Social Studies. Feel free to reach out. For those of you that are doing the math, remember, just snap a photo, email, text, or post it on the Blackboard blog page. See if you can make that part of your day, since a lot of you are having to go to Blackboard for some of your other classes. Have a great day, everybody.